Meaning of homogeneous.
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 Homogeneous. The term homogeneous generally refers to objects or substances that have uniform composition or properties throughout. In other words, it means that all parts of the object or substance are the same or identical. For example, a mixture of salt and water is said to be homogeneous if the salt is evenly distributed throughout the solution. Homogeneity can also refer to a group of people or things that share common characteristics or qualities. Overall, the concept of homogeneity implies consistency and uniformity, whether in a physical or abstract sense.